September 28, 2019, may isang Pinoy boxer ang nagpakitang gilas sa bansang Singapore. Ito ay si Ray Kaitom. Tinasahan niya ang dating Indonesian boxing champion na si Franz Damor Palo para sa bakanting WBC Asian Boxing Council Continental Minimum Weight title. Nakaschedule ang laban sa 10 rounds at ginanap ito sa Fo Chau Building sa Singapore. Undefeated ang Pinoy dito na si Ray Kaitom. May kartadang 8 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, 3 via KO at 33 na ang edad. Habang 15 wins, 22 losses, 3 draws, 10 dito via knockout naman ang Indonesian boxer at 36 na ang edad. Sa mismong gabi ng bakbakan ay talagang pinamalas ng Pinoy ang kanyang tapang. Binugbog ang Indonesian boxer, namilipit pa sa sakit na sinapit mula sa matapang na Pinoy fighter. Nalasap ng kalaban ang pagkatalo via second round KO. Sabay nating balikan ang nasabing bakbakan.
Absolutely pumped for this one, man.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, you can see the smaller guys much lighter on their feet already, aren't they?
Ooh.
Speed.
And Ray Kaitom Jr. taking on Franz Damor Palo. Ooh.
Ray's throwing heat instantly.
And Ray just hits like a truck.
Yeah, you know, every shot, isn't it? You see him. When you see him spot.
Damor Palo, very light on the feet. Yeah. Oh, he's a veteran.
Oh, Ray fire.
Oh.
Firing. Oh.
That's a clean shot.
That's a clean shot.
It's not the back of the head when he's standing.
Jesus. Yeah.
And that's a clean shot.
That might be it, ladies and gentlemen. Please get up.
You cannot duck your head into a punch and then call it the back of the head.
100%.
If you're on the feet and you get hit in the back of the head as the guy throws it by ducking, it's a knockout.
Definitely. He ducked his head down into that shot.
Oh, and the referee giving him a look. There we go. Ray Kaitom hits like a freight train.
Yeah.
47 kilos of steel coming through that right hand.
Call him the Iron Man.
And he's still hurt. He's very wobbly on his feet. Ooh,
Yeah.
but Palo,
Ray, you can feel it, can't you? Like, you know, guys hitting properly. Instant of a jab.
ooh. Nice jab from Ray Kaitom. Good head movement.
Great head movement, yeah.
Ooh, nice shot. That right hook to the body is horrible. Oh, and Palue's got to move. You can't stay there in front of Ray Kaitom. That's not a good strategy for his health.
Yeah.
What just happened?
Everyone is on the edge of their seat here. Anything can happen.
Whoa! Oh!
Great body work as well. Oh! Finish up in Ray's corner, saying, you know, the body's clearly open.
He's saying go to the body. No, Ray's charged the right hand.
Yeah,
He's got
to
to.
go straight. I like to see Ray throw almost like an uppercut just at the glove, just to open up.
Very
Open
calm
up
in
his
his
face.
defensive approach, and that jab hurt him. 10 seconds. And Ray working easy off that jab.
He's really comfortable here as well, isn't he? Wow.
End of round
Great
one.
round. Definitely
Matt
ready.
Polino here with Danny Earl.
Great round. SFC, guys, SFC. Very excited about the next round, guys. I want to shout out to my Mr. Fantastic Ashraf, who fighter pulled out and last minute. You know, I was with the guy when he was making a owner of Juggernaut Fight Club. He was squeezing himself through the ropes.
All right, I'm here. There's 10 rounds. I don't feel like this will go 10 rounds, but I've been wrong before in that situation.
100%. I mean, oh, nice. That's that Tyson body uppercut.
Oh! There it is again. He's hurt. See him fading.
Yeah, 100%. Very size though. The power that he gets on these shots is unbelievable, isn't it? No. Phenomenal.
Shots to the body. Hey, Palue has got a chin. Oh! I say that and then he gets...
Yeah, you say that.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Nice shots! Oh!
Oh, nice jab.
Really nice.
And Palue just doesn't have the power right now to
Cleaner, faster, stronger shots, isn't it? Palue, though, fair play to him. Look, he's putting on the pressure, he's trying to move, but
Oh, nice
you
body
can tell
shot.
he's feeling those shots.
I'm feeling those
Yeah,
shots.
I'm feeling them as well. I'm feeling them as well, man.
I'm not even in the ring.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kaito landing some hard power shots.
Oh, that's nice. Reminded me of that Ronda Rousey with Holly Holm.
Throwing power back. Good defense. It's just like Palue's not throwing combos either. Oh! It's an overhand.
Yeah, Jesus.
That's an overhand right.
Overhand right. What?
That's a count.
That's count, yeah.
And he's hurt.
There you
And
go.
the fight is over.
One doesn't go to the judges' scorecards, and is finished by way of TKO at 2:11 of round number 2. Your winner by way of knockout and new WBC Asian Boxing Council Continental Middleweight Champion, Ray Kaito Jr.
Annoying. Fucking annoying. Why did the guy pull out? What happened?
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.